Hey everyone, so today I'm going to share with you guys my quick and easy weight loss meal. This is what I love to eat whenever I want some veggies, and it's very, very easy to do so. So right now we're going to get started. I like to start out with butter because I feel like butter is a better way of cooking than using oil. Even though you got to be careful with butter, use minimum butter because sometimes butter can be unhealthy too. But they say it's better to cook with butter than cook with oil. So now I'm just taking broccoli, making sure that the broccoli is washed really good. You don't want any unclean broccoli cooking. And I just take a knife and I just stir it in the butter. And then when I stir it in the butter, I let it, sit and simmer. Then after I take the knife, I'm going to take some lemon pepper. I use lemon pepper to season up my food to make it look good, because eating it plain will not encourage me to eat it. So if I put in my favorite peppers, and yes, I'm putting in onion, and also I'm putting in green pepper in it. So when I put my green pepper and when I put my onions in it, that's when I season it up to make it taste very, very tasty and kind of cut it down just a little bit. I don't know why I'm using a knife. I should have just used the spatula, but sometimes we just use what we use just in handy. So I'm just taking that and let it sit in the butter and let it just steam down a little bit until the onions are golden brown. Also the peppers are golden brown, and so I sprinkle some lemon pepper on top so that it can definitely get good. I love onion, so I do add onion powder to this seasoning as well because it just makes it even more better to eat. Kind of not over seasoned, because if you over season, it's going to be also unhealthy as well. But if you season it to the right touch, it will encourage you to eat it, and it'll be better. Kind of minimum. That's kind of what I'm going for. Minimize your seasoning because it's better than anything. So now I'm just going to take the knife again and roll it around the pot, get it good. And I still got the butter in there. I did add a little bit more butter to make it, cook a little bit better, but I didn't add a lot, so be on the lookout for that. And then I am just letting everything sit in place and then let it just simmer down, and this is what it looks like. And then I'm going to add some spinach. My favorite spinach. I love spinach to this day. I am a diehard spinach eater. I drink it in smoothies and also just eat it the way it is. I have a couple of spinach recipes that I love the most. So I'm just applying spinach, and yes, it was kind of still had a little bit of water there, but it don't hurt nobody. I added spinach into the pot, and then I just kind of stirred up the spinach once everything was good, because stirring up the spinach was just so satisfying to know that I'm getting ready to eat this. Usually I don't eat stuff like this, but I'm getting ready to eat this. So yeah, so ever since my weight loss journey, everything, I have been really eating this. But this is the finished results once everything is done. I know it looks like what, really? But you're getting your greens in your system.